Welcome to YDA TV for a bite-sized bit to help you pass your driving test. So earlier this week we had a learner who got in touch inquiring about taking driving lessons with your driving academy, and after failing her car practical driving test for nearly taking a wrong turn. And as we do, we asked a few questions about what happened leading up to this event and what caused her to fail the driving test. It turns out she didn't know enough about what happens when you take a wrong turn on the test. So, what does happen if you take a wrong turn in your driving test? Think you know the answer? Comment below. So, do you fail the driving test if you make a wrong turn? The short answer is no, you do not automatically fail the driving test for taking a wrong turn. My name's Etisham, coming to you from your driving academy, and in this video I want to share everything you need to know about taking a wrong turn on your driving test. If you take the wrong left turn, right turn, the wrong exit on a roundabout, or even go off route during the independent driving section, don't panic, it is not an automatic fail. Don't worry, we've all been there. It's easy to get flustered, especially under pressure. The examiners understand mistakes happen. They're not looking for perfection. Focus on demonstrating your skills safely and independently. Just be sure to avoid sudden or last-minute turns. This can lead to a dangerous or serious fault. On the gov.uk website titled "What Happens on Your Driving Test," you can see it clearly states, going off the route, the examiner will not give you a fault for taking a wrong turning. They'll help you get back on the route if you do. Now, the best piece of advice I can give you if you find yourself taking a wrong turn and you don't have the time or opportunity to rectify or correct yourself, the safest course of action is to embrace it and take the wrong turn properly and do it as if that's what you intended. So to summarize, taking a wrong turn on your driving test is not an automatic fail. Now don't panic, stay calm and composed. Safety first, just avoid sudden last-minute turns. These can be dangerous and could lead to a fault. And follow the examiner's guidance. They'll help you get back on track. Remember, the focus is on your overall driving ability. Stay calm, follow the examiner's instructions, and demonstrate your skills safely and confidently. Tag a fellow learner driver. This driving tip could be a lifesaver. For further learning to drive resources, you can Google Your Driving Academy and check out our Learner Driver Resources page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another bite-sized bit to help you pass your driving test.